In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to add Google Analytics tag in your Potion account. First, head over to your Google Analytics account. Make sure that you have selected the right property and the right account. Then click on this admin option at the bottom left. Then click on the data collection drop-down box and select data streams. Click on this data stream, the first one or the right property that you want to add to Potion. And then we have to copy this measurement ID by clicking this copy button. Now, head over to your Potion account and then go on your settings page by clicking here and simply paste this tag inside the Google Analytics tag text box. And Potion will automatically save and add your Google Analytics ID to your Potion account.